Hey guys, so as I mentioned in the previous few videos, we've been doing a lot of sitting here recently, and additional back tension and back pain have been increasing in the community and the population. Today I want to show you how to utilize a simple tool, a foam roller, to help you loosen up a little bit of your back tension. Now again, if you have back pain here, you don't want to necessarily foam roll exactly where your pain is. You can simply go from here and all the way up to your upper back. Again, if you don't have too much back pain, you can foam roll all the way down. But simple, you can just sit in front of it. I like to put my elbows before I lean on it so it doesn't slide from behind me. I like to lift up my glutes and I like to support my head. From here, I can go up. If there is any pain, stop. Don't go through the pain. If it's comfortable, you can keep on going further up. And you continue down and up. Few rounds like that. You might hear a little bit of a crackling, and that's normal. And then you can focus maybe a little bit on the right side. Again, you can go up as high as you want without creating any pain, and a few times on the left. About a couple of minutes. You can do that 2-3 times a day, as a matter of fact. At some point, sit about your mid-back and try to lean backward and stretch. Again, from all this sitting and rounding forward, you want to try to reverse that by leaning back in this fashion. From here, when you lean back, try to keep this distance the same and try to lean back exactly where the foam roller is, as opposed to arching this way, your back here, keep that stacked. Lay about 30 seconds to a minute, and then you can scoot forward and then do the same. Again, I like to support my head to relax my upper back and allow me to sink a little bit deeper into my stretch. Hope you enjoyed this and hope you get to do it to help you with some tension at home. Take care.